patient, welcome to my creation. Working with patience, I'm another dimension. I'm in your dreams because I am your obsession.
Cops, cops,
This is my patient, welcome to my creation. Working with patience, I'm another dimension.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be picking up the new wheels for the lifted Sierra. I ordered these wheels back a while back. I had a hard time trying to get them in a 6-lug for my Sierra. They offered just 8-lug. I believe these are brand new wheels that just came out. I'm going to be going with a 26 by 12 Axe Nemesis are the wheels. I already ordered my tires and I got the spike lugs in chrome. The tires, I got a 33 by 13 and a half by 26. So I did get them a little bit smaller, 33s. So I do have a 7-inch lift, but I might need to be able to have to cut the bumper a little bit. We'll see when they throw them on. Like I said, we're on the way to pick them up at the freight company. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, we got the shipment in. I'm gonna tie it down. This is what I'm rocking with now, 22 by 12 Savage wheels, which aren't bad. I like them, but I gotta go big. You know me. Alright guys, this is the tire I'm going with. 33 by 13 and a half, 26 Comforce. It's about the same height as you can see, but these things are rubber bands. Just what I want. Alright guys, let's go put them. Well guys, there she is. 26 by 12s. Damn, she looks good. Shouts out to the homie Federico at La Familia Tire Shop. Alright guys, here she is. 26 by 12s, 33s, 13 and a halves, 26s. These are the Axe Nemesis. I had a hard time finding these because all they offered them is an 8-lug. So I had to wait a little while to get them in. But this thing looks badass. And I got the Low Pro. I've always liked the Low Pro tire on the off-road wheel instead of going with the street. I was going to go with the street tire, but I went with the Low Pro with the off-road look still. And I think it looks badass. Axe. And these are universal. And I did install did go with the spike look chrome.
Only on the beat.
Another sunroof extended cab. Extended cab. We're going to be doing a sunroof weld on, bodywork on top, black out the plastics. This is looking good. I'm going to start by taking the whole headliner down typical Chevy headliner falling off, but that's before. Stay tuned. Alright guys, headliner is done, sunroof's installed, everything in your drains, hoses are installed. Here's the headliner. It's already been cut out for the sunroof. There's the sunroof. Alright, we're gonna install the headliner and then we're gonna paint the plastics. Alright guys, sunroof has been installed. Everything's 100%. Let's check it out.